Hello friends, have you tried egusi and the ogbono soup together before? No? Okay, let's make it. Just dissolve some oil in a dry pot, then pour in the ground ogbono. Dissolve this ogbono very well in the palm oil. Don't heat up the palm oil so that the egusi will not burn. Just dissolve the oil, then pour in the ogbono. Mix and dissolve the ogbono very well. You can put off your gas at this point so that the ogbono will not burn. So mix the ogbono very well, then add your egusi, your ground egusi too. Dissolve this. While this is going on, the stove is off just to dissolve all these things. After dissolving it, you can then put your stove on again and start cooking. Add some water to help the egusi dissolve very well. You can also dissolve the egusi separately with water before adding it into the pot. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. After mixing very well, then add your pepper, your crayfish, your seasoning cube, your salt, all the seasonings you want to use, and cook the soup. Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Stir that very well, then go in with your cooked meat, your stockfish, your goat meat, whatever protein you want to use and cook your soup. Pour it at this point and also stir very well. It's like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender. Then cover and let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You have to cook your egusi and ogbono very well so that it doesn't upset your stomach. Then after that, I'll go in with dry fish. The dry fish is not the hard one, that's why I'm adding it at this point. If the dry fish you're using is hard, you can also add it at the same time you add your cooked meat. Add more water or more stock if you don't like the consistency you have. If your own is thick, you can add more water to it, or more stock if you have meat stock or fish stock. Then check your seasonings. If you need more salt, then add more salt. If you need more pepper, add more pepper. Cover again, allow to cook for 5 minutes, and then you go in with your vegetables. This soup is very sweet, very delicious, and very easy to make. Whispering flavor. At this point, the soup is ready to receive any vegetable you give it. And for this, I'm using oziza leaf and the ugu leaf. But before that, I added some crayfish just to make it a little more yummy. Then go in with your oziza leaf and the ugu. You can also use bitter leaf for this. The soup goes very well with bitter leaf, so you can use bitter leaf for this. Floating in the air, each note blends like spices. Stir the vegetable very well and leave to cook for just about a minute or two, and your soup is ready. And you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. I love gari fufu for this. I hope you give this soup a try. You will love it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Each key is spice, 'cause your kitchen where joy is found.